Hey everyone, if your ads feel flat or easy to ignore, yeah, adding 3D style graphics in Canva can instantly make them more eye-catching. Let's go step by step. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. Pick the format that matches your campaign, like a social post or display banner. Next, insert your headline, text, or key visual. This becomes the base of your 3D effect. Select the element, click Effects, then choose Shadow or Lift. Yeah, this is where depth starts forming. Fine-tune the settings. Tweak blur, offset, and transparency until the shadow feels natural. For stronger dimension, duplicate the text and nudge the copy slightly behind. Yeah, layered stacking enhances the illusion. Now experiment with gradients. Lighter highlights and darker tones simulate lighting and volume. Open elements and search for 3D shapes or objects. Combining graphics with text makes designs feel modern. Don't overdo it. Yeah, keep focus on the message while using 3D visuals as enhancement. When finished, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for static ads or MP4 for animated creatives. And that's it. With just a few Canva tools, you can design ads that feel dynamic, premium, and attention-grabbing. Yeah, simple workflow, powerful impact.